Welcome to the PsyQuation tutorial, where we'll give you an overview of the basic features available from the main PsyQuation dashboard. At the very top of the screen, you'll see your trading account number. If you've got more than one account, you can rename them here to make it easier to identify which one you're using. Below that, you'll see a line of panels across the screen. Each one of these panels is used to give a quick overview of your current position. On the left, you have equity and profit. Equity is the net balance, calculated by combining your cash balance with the overall profit and loss of any open positions. Profit is simply how much you've made until now. The next panel is performance, which shows your total accumulated returns since inception. Next, we have max drawdown, which shows the largest percentage drop in your account from any peak. The value at risk, or VAR open positions panel, represents the likely loss you can expect from your positions in one of the next 20 trading days. Finally, the observers panel lets you know how many people are watching your account. If you want to change the amount of information you share with other observers, this can be done through the account settings. If you want to observe the other accounts, just go to the leaderboard and select the account of another PsyQuation user. Now, let's move on to the chart menu. PsyQuation charts display two lines. The green line is the equity curve, which shows the mark-to-market equity performance, and the yellow line is the value at risk adjusted equity curve. Our key point of difference is that our VAR is based on each open position, not the historic account equity curve. Within the chart menu, you can use the icons at the top left to change how you view results, in dollars, as a percentage, or by maximum drawdown. At the top right of a chart, you can toggle the display intervals. Choose from 1 day, 5 days, 1 month, 1 year, or the year to date. It's also worth remembering that PsyQuation charts are updated automatically. The dashboard updates every minute for AxiTrader Premium accounts and every 30 minutes for accounts connected through other MT4 brokers. Now let's move on to advanced stats. Here you can get a quick overview of your current PsyQuation score, broken down into 4 key areas. Skill assesses your ability to turn a trading opportunity into a profit. Risk compares your approach to risk and the way you manage open positions. Behavior measures your mistakes and biases. And history analyzes your actual performance. In addition to the PsyQuation score, you can use the summary section to explore a range of individual metrics. To access a category, simply click directly on it. The monthly performance section gives a quick view of your month-on-month performance over time, while the trade section outlines additional stats, including a breakdown of your winning and losing trades. Now, go back to the top menu and navigate to the trade section. This is where you can get a detailed view of all your open and closed trades, including the time, type, size, price, profit, and more. Finally, we move into the alerts section, which is where you can create custom trade alerts. Simply click Create New Alert, complete all the fields, and click Create Alert to add it to your account. That should help you get started with some of the main functions available through the PsyQuation dashboard. But if you've got any questions, please email support@psyquation.com. To learn about other areas of the PsyQuation platform, such as the leaderboard and trading tools, just search for more of our video tutorials.